You need some food? How come you don't have any? Huh? And was it a hard day today and you're hungry as can be? Huh? You are. You're just being nice because you're hungry. Aren't you? You want some food? You do? Okay. You only let me pet you when you really just have some food. When you're really, really hungry, huh? Yeah. I know. I know. It's just a hard, rough world for a little boy like you, young man. Yes. Do you like the camera? Do you like the camera? You do? Okay. The only time you get left from a cat is when they're hungry. I know. Okay. Dad didn't feed you this morning? Huh? Dad didn't feed you? Okay. We'll go over here. Okay. All right. Okay, just 1 second. Now we need a thing to keep it on you. Yes. No.